Have you ever struggled with a DIY printing project? Perforatedpaper.com can help. We're pre-punched paper specialists. Our paper is precision punched for clean separation and perfect for printing your own business cards, tickets, certificates, invoices, shelf talkers, and booklets. Choose from over 100 standard layouts or create a custom layout using our Design Your Own tool. Our quality precision punched paper is low cost, and we turn orders around in one business day. Your order is proudly produced and shipped by our stellar team in Montana and comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Perforated paper is part of the Event Groove family. We're powered by 100% clean wind energy, and all shipments are carbon neutral. Since 2007, we've donated over 42% of net profits to conservation organizations. Visit perforatedpaper.com to order your precision punched paper and simplify your next printing project today. Perforated paper made easy.